Hey there cubers, it's Belgian Speed Cuber here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this pattern. So what you need to do is follow this sequence. It's as follows: L, F inverted, U, B, L inverted, B inverted, L, U inverted, F, U, B inverted, U inverted, B, and L inverted. It gives you this pattern. On the other side it's the same. I really hope you liked this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to see more tutorials or unboxing videos or reviews about cubes. If you want to purchase any of these cubes, I'll put a link in the description where you can buy them. You can buy them at Cubes UK. I have a discount code there, Belgian SC5. It gives you 5% off your order and it helps me make these videos and reviews. So thanks a lot for the support. Okay, this was it. Belgian Speed Cuber out.